it's me, Alegra. Dolls, I'm so happy today I was able to put together this look using my new Proenza Shouler palette from Lancome. So they were good enough to send this to me. I don't know if you had seen my unboxing video the other day, but it was just such a huge surprise. And I just am absolutely in love with this palette because one of the things that is so unique about this palette that I have never seen in a palette before is that it actually has creams and powder shadows in here. So for example, this is a cream and then this is a powder. So, and then there's several of them like that. So you can lay down the cream if you want and put the powder on top and it's going to come out super intense, like this kind of intense look that I did today. Or if you want, you could just use the cream and just sheer it out for kind of like a wet, sexy, you know, look. Or there's just so many options. You can color blend and make different color combinations. So it's so much fun to play with this palette. I mean, I actually even use this as a highlighting powder and I absolutely loved it. And I'm sure you could even use this as you could even use them as lippies if you wanted. So there's a lot going on here. It's really amazing. It's so much fun. It makes you feel super artistic, and I guess that's the point of it, because they had said this collection, this is called the Chroma collection from Lancome and Proenza Shouler, is that it's fashion and art, and you know, so that would be like beauty, makeup, and art. So that was their inspiration behind a lot of this line, and so you really do feel like super artistic and creative, you know, playing with it and making all kinds of crazy stuff out. So I also did get their lippies in the package they sent me the other day, and I'm wearing this lip today. I absolutely love it. This is the 111 shade. It's like amazing and very vampy, and like someone had said the other day, I feel very vampire-esque, and I love that. So I really, because it's really gorgeous, but it's not matte, it's not tight, it's not drying, it feels amazing on your lips, so you automatically feel kind of like just a certain kind of way. You just have this really, you just feel good, you feel really good and sexy and all that good stuff. And then I also did use, in my unboxing video, this lip the other day is so stunning for, you know, a brownie nude lip. So I didn't use it for this look today, but for another look that would be amazing. So that's pretty much it. If you'd like to see, when I put on my glitter, I decided I actually did this look the other day and I just left it matte, you know, no glitter. But tonight I thought I would pull out the glitter for fun. So you can wear it with or without the glitter. Either way, it's going to look amazing. So the glitter, you know, you just pop on at the end and you'll see in the video. But this is the glitter from the Be Beautiful Studio. Love their glitter and absolutely love the Anastasia glitter glue. Is amazing. I highly recommend this. It is just the best glitter glue I've ever used. I love it so much. So I'm so happy I got to use that tonight too. Guys, if you'd like to see how I put together this look tonight, then just keep watching. And also please guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. It helps me out so much. So that's pretty much it. So keep watching to see how I put together this look.
So guys, I'm starting with the Kohl palette. This palette also comes in warm shades. There's two versions. So this is the Kohl version. And here is the cream shadow in the palette. So I'm just laying down that cream shadow with a shader type brush, and I'm just carving it out all over my lid and just packing it on. I've already prepped my eyes with MAC Prep and Prime, and I did put some MAC Nylon under my brow bone. That's just something that I really love to do. I love that MAC Nylon for a highlighter. So as you can see, I'm kind of dragging it out, rubbing it along my crease, and I love pulling it down as well. So I pack it down, and then I'm also putting it under my eyes so we can make our eyes really nice and smoky. And I'm still using the same shader brush. So now I'm taking the powder version of that same color, and this has a little bit of sparkle in it. It's just so gorgeous. It just comes out super intense, especially when you pack it over that cream shadow. So I'm just again using a flat shader type brush, just packing it on, and I also put it under my eyes as well. So you just want to pack it right over your cream shadow, and you can smudge it right along your lower lashes too if you want to smoke out your eyes. So now I'm going in with the cream powder. I'm sorry, that's the powder, the pink powder. So this is not cream right now, this is just the pink powder, and I'm just going to use that to blend out my edges with the fluffy brush. And just going back in to just deepen it up and intensify it. And I just love kind of wiggling it in my crease, kind of rubbing it on your eyeball. You'll feel like your eyeball, and I just kind of very gently rub it over that in the crease area. And as you can see, the colors blended together so gorgeously, and just flicking outwards. So now I'm going to go back in with that powder color shade, the blue powder shade, and I'm just going to go back in and deepen up my crease now, and pack on some more on my lid just to bring everything back. And now I'm taking that pink powder color and just smudging that under my lashes with a fluffy brush. So that's just going to diffuse it now because it's a fluffy brush. So now I'm taking the Lancome Proenza Shouler. This is their eye Kohl in black, and I'm just smudging that all along my lower waterline, and I also kind of smudge it down under my lower lashes as well. And then I'll drag it along my upper lashes, and it just makes a gorgeous smoky, soft kind of, I mean, it's a smoky, seductive, smoky eye, but it's nothing harsh on it. So I like my lines for this look to be very smudged out as much as possible, you know, no harsh lines, and that makes it look very sexy. So this is just a clean fluffy brush now, and I'm just blending all of my edges. And now I'm taking my Makeup Geek highlighter, and I'm just going to pack that right on my brow bone with a very small brush. Any teeny tiny brush will do. I'm just working that all under my eyebrows. And then I'm taking the same highlighter and I'm just putting that in circular motions on my tear duct. So now I'm going to go in with the Anastasia glitter glue. And I put that on, and then I put the bee glitter, loose glitter right on top. So I put on the glitter glue, and then right away pack your glitter on top. And it's just gonna come out so beautiful, shimmery, sparkly, and I like to pull down too with the glitter. So now I'm putting on my iconic lashes from House of Lashes. These are just the most perfect lashes in the world for me. And my Too Faced, this is the I Want Candy glitter, shimmer highlighter, cream highlighter. And then I go right back over the cream highlighter with the powder version. And whenever you do this, it always makes your makeup come out more intense. So this is my highlight, this is my spray, and I'm just wet my brush with my spray that's coming out soon, and it's just gonna make everything super intense. And now I'm just going over my lash band with my gel eyeliner, and this is my Lancome Big Monsieur Mascara. It makes your lashes super long, and it's just gorgeous. So this is my Kat Von D lip liner. I'll link this below, but you can use any purple lip liner type of burgundy lip liner. Just lining my lips with it. And I do overdraw my lips a little bit because I just love big lips, so why not? And then I'm just kind of carving it inwards, just on the outer portion of my mouth. And then here is the Lancome Proenza Shoulder in Abstract Burgundy, it's called. It's the 111. And I just love it so much. And this is the finished look.
So guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Let me know what you think of this look. Would you wear it? And guys, let me know any looks that you'd like to see and any palettes that you're got your eye on. I want to hear all about it, so definitely tag me too if you recreate this look. I want to see how you wear it. Where are you going? What would you do with it? So I love seeing your guys's, what you guys are up to, so definitely tag me and let me know. So guys, I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I love you.